Alright guys, the 2020 Civic Si has this thing called adaptive sound control. When you put it in sport mode, it adds artificially enhanced engine noise through the car speakers. Okay, so here's third gear. I'm at 3,000 RPM. So we're gonna turn that off today, or we're gonna try to. So first thing you're gonna do is open your glove compartment, and then you're gonna push in just like that, and these two little clips push in. You'll be able to pull it down. Then there's gonna be 4 screws. I already took one out. There's gonna be 4 screws up here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, I have a question for you guys. Do you guys think I should get a Baby Yoda Funko Pop and put him on the dashboard? I'm thinking I should, because I want Baby Yoda everything. I don't know if you guys have been watching The Mandalorian, but it's a super good show, and Baby Yoda is my spirit animal. And I think I want to get some Baby Yoda inside the SI, so the Force will be with us. Oh, here we go. Okay, so in order to get this piece down right here, the part that you just unscrewed, you're gonna have to pop this out right here. So just pull it, and it should come right out. Yeah, there's another screw down here that you need to take out. Bitch, now you're coming out. Kind of. Alright, I disconnected it. What we need to get to is right here. This box, that silver box. That is the adaptive sound control module. Here's the clip that I unplugged, and that's how you do it. I'm gonna demonstrate for you guys right now the sound difference, well, the lack thereof now. So if you haven't seen my previous videos of doing acceleration runs with sport mode, and you can hear the sound difference there, that video is right here. This is with sport mode off. We'll do this first, and I'll do it with sport mode on, so you can see that I fixed it and there's no sound difference. So here we go. So here is with sport mode on. So as you can see, or as you can hear, there's no difference in sound, and we fixed it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have a 2020 Civic Si, or if you're about to get one, that's how you disconnect the adaptive sound control module. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.